Hi friends, welcome to my channel. So to get the regular notifications, I started one Telegram group. I kept that link in the description box of this video. You may check down. And in this video, we are going to see the assistant professor vacancies from the two colleges. One is a state university and second one is a private university. And here the permanent as well as the temporary post, both these two are available. Before going into the main content of this video, here one small announcement is that the Unacademy is providing the complete course for the UGC NET paper 1 as well as the paper 2 electronic science, and the details regarding this course is provided at the end of this video. Hi friends, welcome to my channel. My name is Ashwani Kumar, Unacademy educator for the subject NTA UGC NET electronic science as well as the general paper 1. If you are not yet subscribed the channel, then please do subscribe and then click on the bell icon. Then you are going to get all my updates and videos as the immediate notifications to your devices. I started one Facebook account, guys. And I provided this link in the description box of this video. So please join into this group. So here the group name is Your Mentor, just same as this YouTube channel name. So in this group also, here all the advertisements regarding the assistant professor, teachers and the PhD notifications I posted here. So you will get, or else you will be having a look on all the posts at a glance here. Okay, so join into this group that I provided the link in the description box. And now while coming to the present content of the video is here, the first one is the private university, that is Om Sterling Global University. So here I will provide this link in the description box of this video. You may check down. Here the application form is there. You have to fill up your name and which position you are applying for and the date of birth, contact number, email ID and qualification, name of the institute right now you are working and what is your designation, current salary, expected and the notice period and industry experience. And you have to attach your resume and click on the submit button. Okay, then based upon your application form and your biodata, okay, they will call you or they may mail you. And the candidates who belongs to these programs, you may apply to this one. It is engineering and technology, hospitality management, applied sciences, legal studies, agriculture, social science and humanities, architecture and planning, fine arts, commerce and management, health science, pharmaceutical sciences, mass and media communication, yoga and naturopathy, education, fashion designing and vocational studies. Okay. And while coming to the next one is the state university, that is JC Bose University of Science and Technology. And here these are the regular posts, nothing but permanent posts these are. So direct recruitment by the 31st/12/2020 you have to apply. And here the departments are civil, electrical, electronics and instrumentation, computer, biotechnology and microbiology. Here the professor, associate and assistant professor vacancies are mentioned as per the caste category also. So you may check down the details here. And coming to the application fee is 1,000 rupees and 250 rupees for the SC and 500 rupees for the female candidates of Haryana. And the maximum age limit is 55 years. Okay, and here while coming to the remaining details, you can check down that I will provide this PDF link in the description box of this video. Coming to the assistant professor sciences, that is biotechnology and microbiology, the payment is given here. It is academic level 10, so you may get nearly 57,700 rupees per month. And the eligibility is a master's degree with 55% of marks. So the 5% of marks may be concession will be given based upon the caste category. And apart from this one, the candidate must have qualified the UGC NET or SLET or SET. Okay, so these are the qualification requirements for this one. And associate professor sciences for biotechnology and microbiology, the eligibility is a PhD is required. And assistant professor in civil engineering or electrical engineering, so the eligibility is it is associate professor. The eligibility is a BE, BTech, BS and ME, MTech or MS or integrated MTech in the relevant branch with first class or equivalent in any one of the degrees. So for the assistant professor in engineering and technology, there is no requirement of the UGC NET qualification or the PhD qualification. So the candidates who finish their post-graduation in the corresponding departments, those candidates may apply. Okay. So these are the qualifications that mentioned. Okay. So for your reference purpose, I will provide this PDF link in the description box of this video. Okay. And how you have to apply to this post is that, so you have to apply through the link that is available on the university website. So with effect from 30th November 2022, 31st December 2020. And after successful submission of application form in online mode, the filled application must be printed and signed on each page by the applicant. Such signed copy of application form along with all supporting self-attested documents should be sent at the following address by 15th January 2021. And here the address is also mentioned. Okay, so it is a way of application for this job. And in the same college, that is JC Bose of University of Science and Technology, Faridabad, here online applications are also invited for the post of associate professor, that is journalism and mass communication, and assistant professor, that is computer engineering, and senior animator, or direct recruitment or deputation basis by 31st January 2021. So information sheet containing the post-wise details along with the pay scale, reservations, qualifications, experience, all these things you can get in the official website of this JC Bose University of Science and Technology. And here the opening date of online application form is 1st January 2021, and the last date of submission of online application form is 31st January 2021, and the date of submission of hard copy of application form is 15th February 2021. Fine. So these are the dates regarding the associate professor in journalism and mass communication and assistant professor in computer engineering. And the 31st December is the last date for application of these posts. Okay, so for these posts, and it is a post from the private university, that is Om Sterling Global University. Fine. So please share this video to your friends or colleagues who are looking for such type of opportunities. And for more notifications, please subscribe my channel and then tap the bell icon. And the candidates who are preparing for the UGC NET exam, here one announcement follows. So please listen, guys. Hi friends, my name is Ashwini Kumar, Unacademy educator. So all of you know that Unacademy is India's largest learning platform, and it is providing the very good content to the learners who are preparing for the competitive examinations. And from this video, I want to bring you one notice that I'm going to start the 2 new courses for the UGC NET candidates who are preparing for the UGC NET exam in 2021. So the course number 1 is complete course for the NTA UGC NET paper 1, that is teaching and research aptitude. So that it is going to start from November 9th onwards. And coming to the paper 2 is the electronic science. So the complete course for the electronic science is going to start from November 10th onwards. So the interested candidates may take the subscription plan of the Unacademy, that I will show you the different types of subscription plans. But before going to those subscription plans for the paper 1 and as well as to the paper 2, one thing that I want to share you is that if you want to check how the lectures will be, and why, because each and everybody is having some dilemma that before taking the subscription plans, that whatever the content I am going to teach you, so how the content I'm going to give you, so whether you can able to understand or not. So for that purpose, I will provide my Unacademy profile link in the description box of this video, guys. So if you click on that one, then you will be directed to this web page. So here, if you scroll down, you can check the special classes. So special classes means these are the completely free classes. So every month I'm going to take the free classes to the candidates. So if you click on this see all, then all my special classes that you can check down here, right? So if you click on these classes, then whatever the video classes I took at that date and time, so those videos will play. So with the help of these videos, you can decide that how I am going to deliver the content of the concepts and each and everything. So based upon that one, you may take the subscription plans, guys. Okay. And if you want to check that how I am going to teach the UGC NET paper 1, that is teaching and research aptitude, so it is my official YouTube channel link for the paper 1 that you can check down. I will provide this link also in the description box of this video. So here I did the complete unit 1, that is the teaching aptitude here by taking the total 6 parts. So it will be acts like the reference to you that how I am going to teach you, whether you can able to understand or not. So by looking all this content, that means the electronic science from the Unacademy app and from the YouTube channel, you can guess that how I am going to teach the paper 1. So by looking all these things, you can decide whether to take the subscription plan and whether I am going to explain as per your understanding levels or not. So these are the different subscription plans, guys. That means for 1 month, 3 months, 6 months, 12 months and 24 months. So depending upon your goal, that means when you want to write the exam, so based upon that one, you may take any one of the subscription plans that it is showing on your screens. But one thing is that if you are planning to take the subscription plan for both paper 1 as well as for the electronic science, then use my referral code, that is Ashwini K, right? So it is my referral code, guys, ASWINIK. and you are going to get the 10% discount on any one of the subscription plan. Okay, so it is the information that I want to deliver from this video through my channel. And if you want to know about the previous courses feedbacks, that you can click down here. So these are all the dedications given by the previous batch students. So you may check down the different feedbacks here. Okay, so the candidates who are preparing for the UGC NET exam in the 2021, so both the UGC NET paper 1 and the electronic science, so both these two courses will definitely helpful to you to crack the JRF. Fine guys, so please share this information to your friends or colleagues who are preparing for the UGC NET exam in the next sessions, and all the best guys. Thank you very much.